In this course, we will discuss the regulatory compliance of medical devices as a walkthrough along the product lifecycle, from product development and preparation for market access, to conformity assessment and the corresponding obligations for keeping the product on the EU market. The medical device lifecycle is a complex process with increasingly rigid requirements that must be met for FDA approval or EU MDR compliance. The product development of any medical device should start under the umbrella of a quality management system, a QMS. One of the biggest errors is not using the procedures, tools, and processes described by the QMS until the end of the cycle. The risk management process and the technical, preclinical, and clinical evaluation for MDs, along with the technical, analytical, and clinical performance evaluation for IVDs, and the post-market surveillance systems are vital life processes. Yet all of these processes need a plan, one your organization can seamlessly follow. Now, these processes are a routine matter for established manufacturers who already manage a device portfolio. But what about MD, IVD research projects, startups, and spin-offs? Unfortunately, not all of these entities establish clear processes from the beginning. However, establishing processes on the run is not a good practice. It puts the manufacturer's objectives at risk. This is why a plan is so important. The international standard ISO 13485-2016 Quality Management Systems for Medical Devices specifies the requirements for an organization's QMS. It is used by organizations that need to demonstrate their ability to provide medical devices and related services that consistently meet customers' needs and the applicable regulatory requirements. Good manufacturing practice, GMP, is a quality system for medical devices. Meanwhile, the FDA Quality System Regulation, QRS, for medical devices is 21 CFR Part 820. According to the US FDA, this regulation governs the methods used in and the facilities and controls used for the design, manufacturing, packaging, labeling, storage, installation, and servicing of all finished devices intended for human use. Now let's take a short walkthrough along the medical device product lifecycle. According to the FDA, the device development lifecycle involves several actions that can be grouped into 5 phases. These phases must be followed to develop a medical device that qualifies in the US market. Generally speaking, the lifecycle phases are: Phase 1, device discovery and concept; Phase 2, formulation, concept, and feasibility; Phase 3, design and development, verification and validation; Phase 4, final validation and product launch preparation; Phase 5, production, market introduction, and post-market follow-up.